Okay, so population density, okay, looking at how dense essentially location is in terms of the amount of people that are there. And to work that out, you divide the population, okay, by the area. That's the formula, that's all you use there. So for country A, all right, the population density, so maybe I'll put PD for population density, and the population will be there, 4,200,000, okay, and then we've got to divide them by the area, which is 42,000. Now remember, this is in non-calculator paper, so you're allowed to sort of estimate here, okay. As it says, the estimate, it's not going to be necessarily perfect, but here we could cancel the zeros, couldn't we, to sort of work this out, break it down. That 0 goes with that 0, that 0 goes with that 0, and we're left with 4,200 divided by 42, okay, 4,200 divided by 42. Now you might see that straight away, but ultimately what I'm doing here is I'm dividing the 42 there by 42, and 42 divided by 42 is 1, and I add on the 2 zeros. So population density for country A is 100. So that means there's 100 people per kilometre squared. Okay, so in every kilometre square, there's 100 people, essentially. In country B, we've got 150 million divided by 700,000. Okay, again, we can't cancel the zeros here. So that 0 goes with that 0, this 0 goes with this 0, this 0 goes with that 0, okay, and this 0 goes with that 0, that goes with that, and we're left with that then. So 1,500 divided by 7, okay. Now if I try to divide 15 by 7 there, clearly it doesn't go into it perfectly, okay, but remember now, this is only a rough approximation, right? They're not expecting this to be perfect for this particular question in the non-calculator paper. So 15 divided by 7 is around 2, isn't it? So I can put squiggly equals there to say it's approximately 2, and then add the 2 zeros on. So we've got 200 there. Okay. The type of question that comes up on population density in a non-calculator paper won't expect you to get the exact answer. So that's why I've done a rough answer there. C then, the population density. Okay. Well, we've got 71 million divide by 240,000. So we do the same thing again. Zeros will cancel. Okay, and then we can divide these. Now 71 divided by 24. Now I might be thinking here about, you could maybe round these up maybe to 25 or something, but then they still have 70 on the top divided by 25. That would be awkward. But if you think about it, 24 would actually go into 72 3 times. So that there is roughly 3, and we add the 2 zeros on, so we have 300 there for the approximate population density for country C.